Dr. Gunwant Oswal leads the Center for Life Sciences, Health and Medicine, one of the world's largest integrative medicine centers for the treatment of neurological disorders. Dr. Gunwant Oswal graduated with a BAMS degree and integrated course in allopathy and Ayurveda from the University of Pune, India. He is the founder and inventor of G therapy, neuro-G medicine treatment for neurological disorders, together with his daughter, Dr. Pooja Upasni, who is a Bachelor of Homeopathy, Medicine and Surgery. G therapy, neuro-G medicine, is based on the integrative system of medicine and developed on the principles of neurophysiology. G therapy, neuro-G medicine has helped more than 10,000 neurology patients from over 40 countries, including India, USA, UK, Germany, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Argentina, etc., for whom modern medicine offers little by way of treatment. Conditions treated with G therapy, neuro-G medicine include cerebral palsy, autism, developmental disabilities and neurological genetic disorders, ADHD, learning and intellectual disabilities, SSPE, chronic neuropathies, other neurodegenerative and neurological disorders. Neuro-G medicine presents an important ray of hope for these millions of patients. Dr. Oswal has also found objective evidence suggesting axonal regeneration branching with G therapy, neuro-G medicine in NCV studies in over 20 cases of chronic degenerative and irreversible neuropathies, perhaps for the first time worldwide. This treatment has also shown significant clinical and EEG improvements in some 40 patients worldwide with the lethal degenerative disease SSPE, where normally there is no chance of recovery, especially in later stage. Dr. Oswal's research has been presented at leading international scientific conferences and featured in the international media. Dr. Oswal collaborates with leading international centers and universities in the research for the treatment of neurological disorders. In a booklet published in May 1999, based on observations on those 2,000 patients, Dr. Oswal had postulated there exists a possibility of a dormant supreme control in the brain which, when stimulated, can initiate recovery in different types of irreversible brain disorders. Recent research at the University of Ottawa, Canada, by other scientists appears to add strength to this hypothesis of Dr. Oswal. Dr. Oswal has a special interest in researching the use of integrative medicine in the treatment of chronic diseases. This includes research on bone marrow depression and chronic ITP, herpes zoster, and backflower remedies. All poor patients in India get free treatment at Dr. Oswal's center.
A doctor from India has arrived in the southeast aiming to convince medics he heals mentally handicapped children with natural remedies. Dr. Gunwant Oswal's trip is being paid for by hundreds of parents who hope he'll be able to use his miracle herbal cure to successfully treat their children.
He's Dr. Gunwant Oswal from India, inventor of a new approach to conditions such as cerebral palsy. It's called the G therapy and is based on herbal remedies.
Hello, this is Why Me, the program that tries to help with your medical problems and brings you real-life case studies. And you've had some fantastic success.